Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to share a group video chat invite link on the Telegram app on your PC, using the newest update. This allows you to quickly invite others to join your group video chat with ease. First, open your Telegram app on your PC and navigate to the group where you want to start the video chat. Next, focus on the top area of the group chat window. You'll see a few icons. Click on the call icon, the middle icon among them. After clicking that, select Start Video Chat. Now, choose your account that you want to use for the video chat. Then click Continue to proceed. Once your video chat has started, look to the top right corner and click on the three dots to open the menu. From there, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, you'll find an option named Share Invite Link. Click on it. Your invite link will be generated and ready to share. You can now send this link through messages, email, or any platform you prefer to invite others to your group video chat. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly share your group video chat invite link on Telegram using your PC. This new update makes joining group video conversations easier than ever for everyone. Enjoy connecting with your friends, family, or colleagues in real time.